Hello everyone, this is our current model for tollgate system. So what we did last time is to use an IR sensor to let the car pass, but now, but the catch was it was allowing all the cars to pass, and it was compromising in terms of security. What we did this time is to use an RFID sensor which is hidden here. That ensures it would only allow cars to pass which does have an authorized access, does have an authorized tag. So that's how we have updated. And there is also a use of this IR sensor. We'll see later on how it works.
And not only this, we have also integrated MySQL to track toll data in real time. There are two live tables, live gate entries and live toll transaction. This first table records all vehicle entries, capturing RFID, UID, its time, and whether the access was granted to the vehicle or not. This second table shows live toll transaction. Every vehicle that is allowed to pass, it deducts their 50 rupees and shows us the balance left. What's the balance left of that vehicle? These are the previous entries of the vehicle that have passed.
Now for the demonstration part, let's see how the model works. There is a unauthorized tag, that is white one, and there is this authorized tag which is on the top of the car. This is blue one. Let's see for the unauthorized one first. The RFID sensor sensed it and checks whether it's authorized or not. Since it's not authorized, the gate didn't open. Also, the gate entry here recorded as no. Now for the authorized one. So the car sensor and the gates open. Now the work of IR sensor here is it won't close until the car had completely passed. It ensures the safety of the car and it won't crash into the car while closing the gate. Now the gate has closed because it since the car had passed, and the entry for the authorized vehicle have been recorded here and the amount have also been deducted. So this was the demonstration of our model.
So this whole model demonstrates the working of toll gates, how they actually work, what are the background processes that are occurring, and also how it ensures the security and safety of these gates and the passengers that are traveling.